These birds here are soups intelligent. In 1995, a parrot was tested on human word choice and could discern 1,728 human vocabulary words. That's more than me. Secondly, for 4 on the floor, fun facts today on Fried Talk, parrots have beautiful, colorful feathers, don't they? And inside those colorful plumage feathers is this, an antibacterial pigment that protects against bacterial degradation of those feathers over time. Thirdly, parrots can be heavy birds. They can weigh as much as 9 pounds, as much as a small house cat. And fourth, if you don't want to say goodbye to a pet for a long time, the parrot might be the option for you. Parrots on average live between 35 and 50 years of age, and the longest living on record is 82 years old. I don't want a cracker.